Ever wonder how your phone or computer can turn a simple sentence into a vivid picture? Like a dragon soaring through a neon-lit city at sunset. That's text-to-image AI, and it's getting wildly advanced. But here's the real question. How do we know if these models are actually understanding the text, not just guessing? Early tests were like using a ruler to measure a rainbow, checking if images looked nice, but not if the AI knew what gardening mode meant or why a Dreamland Cat should be whimsical, not real. Enter OneIG-Bench, a revolutionary framework designed to rigorously test AI image generators. Think of it as a 360-degree checklist for AI art. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about precision, reasoning, and style. Let's dive into what makes it groundbreaking. So what's in this benchmark? First, general object. Does the AI grasp basic concepts? If you say a coffee cup with a handle, does it draw a cup with a handle? Surprisingly, many models still mess this up. Then there's portrait, capturing faces and expressions. Can it create a close-up of an old woman that looks aged and realistic, or does it default to a generic face? Next up, anime and stylization. This is where it gets fun. If you ask for cubism or graffiti-style text, does the AI mimic those art styles, or does it just throw random colors? But here's the kicker, text rendering. This checks if the AI can handle text in images. For example, if you type "System Update, supports gardening mode," does the text look like a real app notification, or does it resemble a jumble of letters? Then there's knowledge and reasoning. This test is smarts. If you say 5 highest mountains, does the AI know Mount Everest is the tallest? Or does it guess? And for multilingualism, it verifies if the AI can handle cultural contexts, like Chinese New Year scenes or Chinese letter, dragon boat races, without mixing up details. What makes OneIG-Bench special? It's not a one-size-fits-all test. Researchers can pick specific areas to focus on. Want to check text rendering? Generate images just for that category. Need to test reasoning? Do that separately. It's like having a customizable lab for AI. And here's the best part, the dataset and code are public. That means anyone can use it to compare models, spot weaknesses, and push the tech forward. No more guesswork, just solid, repeatable tests. So why does this matter? As AI gets better at creating images, we need better tools to measure its understanding. OneIG-Bench isn't just a test. It's a roadmap for building smarter, more reliable AI that doesn't just guess, but knows. But how do these models actually work? Let's break down the tech. At the core are diffusion algorithms, digital sculptors that start with random noise and refine it into images, step by step. Think of it as shaping clay by accident, but with math. Recent breakthroughs have made these models smarter, teaching them to understand context. For example, if you say a coffee cup, the AI now knows it needs a handle, not a tail. But here's the big question. How do we know if the AI is right? That's where evaluation tools like Genival or TIFA come in. These aren't just about aesthetics. They test if the AI gets the details. Can it tell the difference between a dog chasing a ball and a ball chasing a dog? Or spot a sunflower field versus a field of skyscrapers? It's like giving the AI a pop quiz on common sense. Researchers are also tackling reliability. Take the Decoding Scene Graph, a system that helps AI follow instructions precisely. Imagine telling it, a cat sitting on a piano playing a melody. Without this tool, the AI might draw a cat on a piano, but maybe not playing a piano. The scene graph keeps it on track. Meanwhile, TIFA acts like a fact checker, using question answering to verify if the image matches the text. It's the AI version of "Does this make sense?" And the tools? Oh, they're insane. Models like Stable Diffusion 3.5 or Flux are cranking out ultra-high-resolution images with jaw-dropping detail. StyleGAN-T lets AI mimic artistic styles in seconds, like turning a sketch into a Van Gogh or a cyberpunk anime. Even big names like Google and OpenAI are in the game, with projects like GPT-4o showing how these systems are becoming more intuitive, almost human-like. But here's what's really cool. These advances aren't just about better pictures. They're about teaching machines to understand the world. Imagine an AI helping an artist brainstorm, or a student visualize a complex science concept. The possibilities. Endless. So next time you see an AI-generated image, remember, it's the result of years of research, clever algorithms, and a team of scientists trying to make machines see and create, like humans. And who knows what's next? The future of AI art is being painted right now.